Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Ninja Gaiden Ragebound crashing, not loading, not launching, lagging or showing black screen error on PC. So let's go ahead. So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, simply click on the Windows icon over here and then click on power and then select restart. Once your system restarts, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, the second solution suggested is to verify integrity of game files. For that, you need to go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties and then click on install files over here and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files has been verified, now try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, simply go to Steam library section, select your game, right click on it, properties and then click on install files and after that click on browse option over here. This will directly take you to the folder where your game has been installed. Here select the application, right click on it, select properties, now click on compatibility and then here click on run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. If this doesn't work, then simply click on run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK and then check if this solution works for you. If not, the next solution is to update Windows. For that, go over here in the search bar, search for check for update option. So this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you need to check if there is any update available. If yes, simply click on download and install or simply click on check for update option. It will check and download the latest version of Windows on your PC. After that, try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. Next solution suggested is to update graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now go below and expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver option and after that click on search automatically for drivers option. This will search for the best drivers for your PC and after that try to launch the game and check if it works, or you can simply go through the link that I have provided in the description. Just download and install the latest drivers on your PC and then launch the game and check if it's working now. The next solution is to modify launch option. For that, you simply go to Steam over here and under the library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties and then under general here in the launch option you need to write -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then simply type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. Next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, again go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties and then you need to enable the Steam overlay while in game. It's already enabled by default, so simply click on it and it will be disabled and after that try to play the game and check if the solution is resolved. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option here, click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature. Now click on change settings. Here you need to check whether the game has been listed over here or not. So go below and check if it's listed over here. So it's listed over here. If not, if you can simply click on allow another app from browse, click on browse, then add your game over here and it will be listed here. After that, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK and then try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. If not, the next solution is to disable third-party overlay application. So if there is any third-party overlay application enabled, such as NVIDIA Shadow Play or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game, so it's better to disable this, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it without any further problem. The next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, click over here, right, tap on Task Manager. Now under Processes tab, select the app that is consuming high resources or is of no use. Select it, right click on it and click on End Task. After that, try to launch the game and check if this works. The next solution suggested is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, simply go to the search bar, search for graphic settings. Now look if the game has been added, or if not, simply click on Add Desktop App. If any desktop app shortcut is created, simply click on, or simply you need to go to the game folder. So click over here, Program Files, then go below, click on Steam. After that, click on Steam Apps, then click on Common, and here you can see the game. Simply select the game application and add it over here. After that, go below, select under GPU preference, you need to select high performance. After selecting this, launch the game and then try to play it without any further problem. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have the link in the description. Simply go through it and install the latest Visual C++ files for your PC, and after that check whether the issue is resolved. If not, the final method suggested is to reinstall Ninja Gaiden Ragebound game. For that, go to Steam, under Library section, select your game, right click on it and then click on Manage option, and after that click on Uninstall. Now finally click on Uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once and then again reinstall the game and try to play it on your PC. Hopefully this time no issue will occur and you can easily play the game without any further problem. So all these are some of the best solutions suggested to fix Ninja Gaiden Ragebound game crashing or not launching error on PC. So that's all for now. Thank you.